How to fix hotspot connected but no internet access. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Go to settings and then click on Wi-Fi and network. Click on the Wi-Fi which you're trying to connect. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, simply click on forget and then start again by connecting it by using password. If that's not working, simply turn off your Wi-Fi and restart your device. After you restart your device, turn Wi-Fi back on and try connecting it. After that, you're good to go. This is how to fix hotspot connected but no internet access. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.